Hi everyone, welcome back to How to Geek. We'll be learning how to log out of WhatsApp on your Android device in today's tutorial episode. Watch the video till the end to learn how and subscribe to our channel by hitting the subscribe button. Go ahead and press that bell icon so that you'll never miss another update from us. Go to WhatsApp application from your app list and tap it open. To log out of WhatsApp, go to the three dots at the upper right corner of the screen, tap on settings, and you can see that there is no logout button within the app. Go to account and you can only see delete my account or every other option but log out. So to log out of WhatsApp, what you can do is go to your settings from your mobile device and tap it on. Go to apps and search for WhatsApp. Once you find the app, tap on storage from the users menu and tap on clear data and tap OK from the pop-up. Now as you can see that when I tap open my WhatsApp, I'll have to sign into my WhatsApp by entering my phone number and the verification code that I receive on my phone. That is the only way you can log out of WhatsApp on your Android device. I hope the tutorial was helpful to you. If it was, go ahead and give it a thumbs up. Feel free to comment down below in the comment box if you have a question or a feedback for us. I'll be back soon with more tutorial episodes. Goodbye till then.